Some new features will be added to the macOS 15 Sequoia. The most attractive of them is the iPhone mirroring. In this video, we want to simulate this lovely feature. What will be published in the end may differ slightly. After opening iPhone mirroring, you can fully control your iPhone on your Mac computer even when locked. At first glance, the same arrangement of apps and wallpaper can be seen. You can use Magic Mouse and trackpad for ease of work and to experience the feeling of working with an iPhone inside a Mac. You can also do everything you used to do with your iPhone here, like swiping. The Mac keyboard makes typing very easy. Now you can access everything: apps, files, settings, and even games. Just click on your apps and use them. For example, open a messenger and send messages or files. You may want to delete an app or install a new one. One of the most used uses is file transfer. You can transfer photos or videos from the gallery to your computer or drag and drop them from the computer to the iPhone, which will probably be saved in the gallery. Now, what about the other files, like a PDF, in the Books app? In fact, each file is automatically opened in its app or saved in the Files app. To make a phone call, dial or make a call through contact list, and you can have a conversation using your Mac microphone and the speaker. If needed, you can change your iPhone settings. As soon as you unlock the phone, you will see that these changes have been applied. From now on, you can view your iPhone notifications in Sequoia. When you click on them, iPhone mirroring will open, allowing you to see the details of that notification. If you install your phone on a tripod, you can take a photo or record a video through iPhone mirroring and import it directly to your computer. iPhone mirroring probably offers other features, so we are impatiently waiting for its release so that we can use it. We will have more simulations for you in the future, so make sure to check out our future videos.